How to cure a sore throat fast. Sore throat can cause a lot of pain and discomfort. It is common for anyone to have sore throat and cough at any given time. However, it is not easy to manage and cure sore throat without knowing what to do. In this video, you will find out how to get the much needed relief. Here are steps to take to cure a sore throat fast at home. Stay hydrated. Drinking lots of warm water can help cure sore throat. Staying hydrated prevents the throat from becoming dry at all times. This helps the throat to heal fast. Have some rest. Rest can help you recover from sore throat. Get enough sleep and don't stress yourself. Talking when you have a sore throat can worsen the situation. Only talk when you really have to. Use pain relievers. Drugs like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can ease the pain and inflammation caused by sore throat. These can be gotten at any pharmacy. Use honey. All thanks to the antibacterial properties of honey. This makes it very useful for treating sore throat. You can add honey to tea or hot water and drink. Apply heat. Soothe sore throat by applying heat. This can be done in various ways. You soak a towel in hot water, squeeze and use to massage the neck. You can use a heating pad. Use garlic. Garlic contains some antiseptic that can cure sore throat fast. Crush the garlic and chew. You can suck on a little piece for some minutes. You can also add garlic to other vegetables if you can't handle the taste. Take lozenges. Lozenges can help relieve throat pain. They can be found at pharmacies. Lozenges that contain menthol are usually more effective. Warm liquids. Warm water, warm beverages and warm soup can help relieve sore throat pain. It also adds to keeping you hydrated. Saltwater gargle. Mix salt with water, gargle and spit it out. This is an effective and easy way to cure sore throat. Make sure to not use too much salt. What to eat with a sore throat. Chicken soups. Taking chicken soups can help soothe sore throat as it helps to clean your nasal and alimentary canal. It contains some anti-inflammatory ingredients that also relieves cold. This is another way to keep your body hydrated. Soft foods. Soft foods like ice cream, milkshake and bananas are easy to swallow. They do not cause any strain or bother to the throat. Cabbage. Cabbage contains some antioxidants that can help reduce the pain and inflammation caused by sore throat. It is a very effective natural remedy. Scrambled eggs. In addition to the supply of protein, scrambled eggs also reduce the inflammation in your throat. It's best to prepare with little or no spice. Oatmeal. Oatmeal contains protein and soluble fiber which makes it good for your sore throat. Eating oatmeal with banana helps as banana regenerates the throat layer while oatmeal fortifies the regenerated layer. Carrots. Carrots contain antioxidants and vitamin C that can repair the tissue which has been damaged by sore throat. You should boil or steam the carrots before eating in a bid to soften it. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have nutrients that help boost the immune system. It also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. You can try mashing the potatoes for a smooth passage through your throat. Causes of sore throat. Viruses. Sore throat is commonly caused by viruses. It is sometimes accompanied with cold, flu and upper respiratory infections. Bacteria. Streptococcus bacteria causes strep throat, sore throat and tonsillitis. In this case, the pain and inflammation would be very severe. Irritants. Irritants are substances that can cause sore throat. Some of these are cigarette smoke, car fumes and toxic airborne chemicals. Yelling or screaming. Shouting, screaming or yelling too often can cause the throat to become sore. This often comes with a hoarse voice. Medical conditions. Allergies, tumor, infection and several health issues can lead to a sore throat. How to use apple cider vinegar for sore throat. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that can cure the infection and suppress the pain caused by sore throat. Gargle. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and gargle. You can also gargle without adding water to the vinegar. Just endeavor to drink water immediately after the gargle. Drink. You can drink apple cider vinegar. Again, you can choose to mix with water or not. Either way, remember to wash it down your throat with water. Mix with honey. Honey, when added to apple cider vinegar, can make a great solution to your sore throat. Mix the vinegar with honey and drink. Best medicine for sore throat and cough. Painkillers. When you have a sore throat, you can use painkillers to relieve the pain. Ibuprofen and acetaminophen are popular pain relievers. Throat lozenges. Throat lozenges are perfect for sore throat and cough. They help to soothe the inflammation and irritation in the throat. Indian home remedy throat infection. Garlic. Garlic is used to treat sore throat or respiratory tract infections. It is mostly used in conjunction with other remedies like honey. Turmeric. Turmeric has strong antiseptic properties that allow it to cure sore throat fast. Ginger. Ginger is known for fighting infections. It is a good remedy for sore throat. Honey. Honey is a very effective natural remedy that reduces the inflammation in the throat. It also fights the infection. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more research-based home remedies, natural health tips and motivational videos. Thanks for watching.